Hey guys, we shall see how to crossplay Arc Ascend on PS5 and Xbox. So let's see a detailed review of this or detailed step. Step number one, crossplay on official servers. If you're playing on the official servers, then you have to follow the following steps. So go ahead to crossplay on Nitrado servers, and if so, you also have to tap on this link over here and then see the steps. By doing so, you go ahead and enable the crossplay on Nitradon server, and then this will stop the server from running in the background. After that, go ahead and tap on those settings, navigate to the general settings tab, and then also find the options in the platforms. After that, select the platforms and then tick the platforms that you want to play from. After doing that, go ahead and save your changes and you'll be good to go. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.